everyone, welcome back to getassist.net, and here I am back with a new topic. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set or change your Facebook featured photos, which is a section inside the Facebook app. So let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Facebook app and using the profile icon given at the left side of the screen, you can go to your profile. Now here you have to tap the three dots and then select edit profile. And for featured photos, here is the option, you have to tap try it. And now here you will get two options. You can choose from your camera roll, what's already existing, or you can choose from photos you have uploaded on Facebook. So here I'm going to choose from uploads. And once you press next, and if you want, you can add multiple pictures here using the add more option. And if you have added multiple pictures, you will get the option to choose one of them as the cover of this entire thing. You can add more photos and you can also give it a title here. Alright, and also remember that featured photos are always set to public, as it is mentioned at the top. Featured is set to public. So that's by default and you can't change it. So make sure you are selecting the photo that you are fine showing to public, because anybody can see your featured images. After that, press save. Now if someone will visit your profile, they will see this section right here, the featured section. You can also add new photos from here using the add button, or you can press and hold on existing one in order to delete it or edit it. If you want to delete the featured collection, you can simply tap that, or you can edit it using this option right here. That was all for this topic. If this video helped you, do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and for more informational content, do visit my website, that is getassist.net. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll be back soon with a new video.